no gree do wetin. Oga talk. Ami no gree do wetin. Ami no allow you pass. Ami. Ami no allow you do wetin. They no allow una pass, abi. You see, Ami no allow them pass to go save lives. You see, Ami no gree do wetin.
And we've told them that nothing will make us leave this place. Now they came with a guy called E4 or Martin, and I don't know what he was saying, to be honest. Okay, I think even the most important update: 2 ambulances came, right?
Yes.
I don't know what they told them. They turned them back. So basically, people should die here. At some point, we're trying to hold one ambulance with our hands. We're trying to hold one ambulance with our hands. There's an old man here that currently there's a bullet in the ambulance, but they refuse. They are chasing the ambulance away because they want us to die here. They set fire and they've blocked everywhere. That's the best update I can give right now. Please, let me not break that, please. Hey, your phone is ringing. I think somebody's calling you.
My phone is ringing. So, but you are safe where you are, right? Switch. Where you are, how is that place where you are right now? Because what we are concerned about is your safety at the moment as well, and the people around you.
Yes, the people around me. We are all really trying to keep it cool because there's a boy here that he was actually trying to help his brother. The brother has now died.
Oh my God. Okay. Is it one of those people that you filmed? The person is dead now?
Yes. Tensions are very high. People want to literally go nuts. So we are waiting to see what's happening. Okay, no, we have to go. Where are they? Now then they come. What's that guy doing?
So anyone from the soldier guys that were coming to meet you before, is there any plan to evacuate you guys from that place?
No, I spoke to them. Hey, what is wrong with you? Are you mad? Hold that guy. Go and hold that guy right now. Hold on.
He's probably in shock.
What's wrong with you?
Okay. Hello, dear. Do they have any plan to take you? Did they have any plan? Because you said the military were talking to you.
No. Right now, there's a line
okay.
Now, and the line is from soldiers.
Okay.
So even if somebody got tired, what's going on? They've set fire on both sides. So we've told them, okay, if you want to kill us, no problem. You want to kill us, then kill us. So we're sitting down here and waiting. Understand? But just so that everybody knows, whoever is listening, we were exercising our right to protest peacefully with flags, the Nigerian flags, and the Nigerian army, not police, came and shot at us. We were running and hiding. Then we run.
So they have not even stopped shooting. They've not even stopped shooting. DJ Switch, and they are still shooting at you guys. Are they still shooting?
Huh?
Are they still shooting at you guys?
Currently, no.
Okay,
Currently, they are not shooting right now.
Okay.
But they formed the line in front of the toll gate.
Okay.
I can see another truck-like stuff with siren coming. I don't know what that is, but yeah.
Oh my God.
No, people are, it's going, look, I've got to go. I really have got to go.
Okay, so who can be with you right now for us to know what is going on with you? Because we don't want you to be cut off.
Please, Kathy, my phone is dead. Please,
yes.
Tell everybody to call CNN. No, I'm fine. I don't need what. Well, you can give me WhatsApp, please. Yes, please.
Yeah,
please,
you need to give water.
Please, Kathy.
Yes.
Tell everyone to call CNN, BBC, United Nations. I really don't know. They should Al Jazeera, everybody. Okay? This is broad daylight. This is broad daylight killing. I witnessed it. I'm crying because it's unfair.
I know.
It is the worst thing I've seen
Oh God.
In my life. Hopefully that is not landing on our back. Please, people are dead. Call people. This thing touched me for my soul. And I'm not leaving this place. Nothing will make me.
Oh my God. I've lost her. Guys, let me just post this live video.